My name is Alex Roth. I work at Fingerpaint Marketing and I am a project manager there. It's pretty simple to start using Workamajig, and we're able to train new employees on it relatively quickly and kind of get them in there learning the ins and outs and how we set up projects and how we use it in our agency. My favorite thing about Workamajig is the resource management and how we are able to assign people to tasks and then just see at a quick glance what people are responsible for that day. We're never working on one project as a project manager. You generally have about 10 to 15 projects assigned to you and your team, and you can pull a report for one client with all of their corresponding projects and see everything all at once, or just pull reports per project manager and see every project across brands. Workamajig is only going to help. It makes things easier, it streamlines process, it gets everybody in the same process, which is really nice, and you won't regret it.